Hello lovers of Easy Fashion, welcome to another episode of Everything Hair. So guys, in today's video we are going to be detangling this hair. As you can see, it's badly matted and we are going to be getting rid of the glue as well, getting it ready to be installed on our client. So here's the before of what the wig it was looking like, and here's after a lot of work. And here is our lace frontal after being cleaned. So keep watching to see how I did this. So first I'm going to take out the messy tied bun, whatever we call it. Then I'm going to section my hair and begin the detangling process. As you can see, we have a lot of work to do. So the key to this is patience. If not, you're going to lose a lot of your hair if you do this the wrong way. So most often you're just going to have to get a detangling spray, but since I didn't have that, I had to make use of what was available, since I had to detangle this and install on a client literally in 24 hours. So I used my conditioner. I used Mega Gold conditioner and mixed with water. So this helped get the work done. So yeah, so that's what I'm going to be using. So unfortunately I forgot to record the process, but that's what I'm going to be using to detangle this hair. So first I'm just going to section it and try my best to be as gentle as possible. So yeah, to avoid hair loss and breakage and all of that. So detangling it was really a lot, but we did get it done. So yeah, so I had to tighten this because the mannequin head won't stop moving. So after sectioning my hair, this is my mixture for Mega Gold conditioner and water. So I just sprinkle on the hair generously because it was really matted. Then I massage into the scalp so I can get everything covered with the product. Then you're going to start brushing from down, going up to the roots of your hair using a white tooth comb. So you're going to take it step by step as you work your way up. So wherever you feel a little bump, you can always use your rat comb to kind of detangle it before you go in with your comb, with your white tooth comb. So yeah, so that's basically the process. So you just work your way through. So after applying your detangling spray or your conditioner and water, you're going to notice that the hair is going to be quite softer compared to when you're detangling it without any of these products. Like when I was sectioning the hair, I didn't apply the product yet and it was quite a tussle. But after applying the process, the detangling process was quite easy. Or let me say less difficult, but not easy, because you really need to be patient and you need to take your time. You can't rush this through. You're just going to damage the hair more. So the key is patience and work your way up to the roots of your hair. Don't begin from the roots. That's also very important. So I'm just going to keep brushing this over and over and over till I feel no bumps or whatsoever. Then I work my way up, and that's what I was doing. So if you have any questions about this process, let me know in the comment section. And you can also check out my other video. I posted a detangling process also for a wig, a bouncy wig So yeah, so you can check that out as well. So we're just going to keep brushing through the hair and getting rid of the maids and all of that. So like I said, patience is key. This took a whole lot of time. It was very time consuming, but at the end was worth it because I really did bring back the wig and I had very minimum hair loss. As you can see, my comb is still very clear, so I really did a very good job in preserving the hair and minimizing breakage and hair loss. So yeah. So yeah, we're done. So after doing that, you're just going to repeat the process for the rest of the hair. So I'm done with the back of the hair and I'm going to go in with the frontal. So the most difficult part obviously is where your neck lies. That's the part most likely to be mated. So when it comes to the frontal, you don't really have a lot of work per se. So yeah. So you're just going to basically repeat the same process on the front part of your hair. But you're going to have to be more gentle since you're working with your lace, which is prone to hair loss as well. You can easily lose a few strands or a whole lot of strands if you're not careful. So after sectioning your hair, you're going to apply your product mix as well, and you're going to begin combing from down up the roots of your hair. So guys, as you can see, I haven't gotten rid of any of the hair that was lost from detangling this hair. You can still see it on the comb. So there was really minimum hair loss due to my diligence and patience. So you can always trust me with your wigs, guys. So I'm going to keep working my way to the roots of the hair. And there you have it, guys. We are done. And here's what our wig is looking like after detangling. So I was done with this around maybe 6 p.m. So I let it air dry throughout the night. I had to install it on the clients in the morning. So in the morning I had to blow dry it because throughout the night it didn't successfully get dry all through. There was still a little bit of moisture left. So I'm just going to go ahead and protect the lace first, and by using my elastic band and then using my pins. Then I'm going to blow dry on cool just to get the rest of the moisture out. So I don't usually use these pins, but I have different pins for different, should I say, mannequin heads or canvas heads. So this particular canvas head won't take the cushion pins because it's very soft. It might take the T pins, but I'm still to get that and try it out. So that's why I use these pins for this particular head when working with it. So yeah. So after doing that, I had to give this hair some coils after installing on the client. So I just went ahead to apply my products and blow dry it into the hair, which is very good when doing heat coils. So after applying your product, you're going to blow dry and comb through. So always do this in sections. So this is a prep before I install the hair on my clients. So here's what our hair is looking like. So my next video will be the installation video on my clients. This video was already very long, so I had to do a part 2. So here's what the hair looks like on my clients after installing. So you're going to have to check my next video to see how I install this hair on my beautiful client. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Bye.